Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kelsey. So today I'm going to just be doing a little chit chat video. Get ready with me. I'm not really going anywhere. I have to run to the store really quick, so I just threw my hair up and put a little light makeup on. My brows are a little bold today, but that's because I did a brow tutorial, so look out for that video on my channel. It should be up now or shortly after this video, so make sure to look out for that. So if you want to see how I got this simple look, stay tuned for the video. Make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell in the corner so you don't miss out on any videos that I upload. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Look a little crazy right now. I just finished a brow tutorial, so if you'd like to see that, go ahead and go over to my videos and check that out. I am going to just be doing a really simple look right now. I look a little crazy, so we're just gonna chit chat while I put on some makeup. Nothing too crazy because it's the evening time, so I'm basically just gonna take it all off. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 415. I'm going to go ahead and take that on a damp beauty sponge and just pounce that on my face. I've already primed and I'm honestly not going to add too much to the eyes today, so that's why I didn't do my eyes first. So I uploaded my first video. It was rough. I don't know how to edit. I'm still figuring out settings, lighting, basically how to do everything. So if you guys have some tips and tricks for me, please post them down below. I would love to hear what you guys use for your editing and your lights. I'd love to hear all that. Bear with me, this is new. I don't know how far this is gonna go, but I've been asked multiple times to post tutorials and everything. So we're gonna do more than tutorials on this channel. I'll take requests, whatever you guys want to see. Maybe some, I'll do a Colourpop haul since that's my favorite brand, and everybody always asks me what products to get, so I can do that. And anything you'd like to see. If you want to see my vanity setup, please let me know. I can go ahead and do a video of that as well. Okay, I'm back. I've got my foundation on. It's a little heavier than I wanted. Like I said, I'm not going anywhere. I don't want to do anything too crazy, but sometimes you just go in with a heavier hand than you think, and next thing you know, you're all glammed up. I am going to put my concealer on. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm just gonna add a little bit of concealer down here. Okay, so now that I have my concealer on, basically I'm just gonna go in with, I think I'm just gonna do a light highlighter and some blush, and then maybe throw a little bit of color on my lids, and that's it. So yeah, anyways, I really wanted to do like a quick get ready with me, kind of talk about what I plan for this channel. I don't know if I can do any set schedules. For those of you who do not know, I'm a nursing student and I have 2 kids, so my schedule is pretty busy, but I do want to try to upload at least a few times a week. So please, 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 if you have any requests, let me know. They can be super simple. It doesn't even have to be makeup related. It can be anything. If you want to see some, lifestyle videos, if you want to see my daily routine, skincare, really anything, please let me know. It'll help me get some content going on this channel. So because I don't want any kind of crazy highlighter, I'm going to go in with an e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. Honestly, I've had this a while. I don't even know what color it is. So this is what it looks like. Not even going to powder my face today, like I said, because I'm not going to be keeping this on very long. This is something that I would just throw on super quick and head out the door. In fact, I wouldn't even do my brows this intense. This was just for brow tutorial purposes, so everyone could see how I get my brows. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with this e.l.f. highlighter. Okay, so now that I have just a little bit of highlighter on, I'm going to go ahead and add some blush. I'm going to go into the Milani Baked Powder Blush in this shade 02. I really love this blush. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. So you can see that. It's so pretty. I like it because it gives me a healthy glow. Just a little color on the cheeks. If you guys have any favorite face products, please let me know. I've been looking to get some new blushes, and I love the Milani blushes, but I've really been wanting something a little more nude. I'm not into like the super pinky blushes. That's just not what I enjoy. But if you guys have any peachy or nude blushes that are your favorite, let me know. I'm all about that drugstore price. You know, college student, mom, balling on a budget. And then I also like to take just a little bit on my nose. Just adds a little bit of color. Just like that. Now that I've got just a little bit of blush and highlighter on, my eyes look super bare. So sometimes I'll just go in with like a little winged liner or add a little bit of color to them. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my Going Coconuts palette. This is from Colourpop. It's one of my favorite palettes. Looks like this inside. It is gorgeous. I will make sure to post all the products that I use down below. I'm just going to go ahead and go in, just add a little bit of color in my crease. I'm going to go in with the shade Lovely Bunch. I would love to hear what your guys' go-to palettes are. I'm always looking to try new things. I'm really hooked on Colourpop. I feel like that's one of my favorite brands right now. They're so underrated. You can pick some of it up at Ulta, but honestly, they have so much on their website. I just love going there, and you know, $30 gets you free shipping in the US. And I'm just adding this color into my crease, and I'm gonna go in with see. I'm just going to go in with this. It's like a matte shade. It's called Shredded. I'm just going to go in with that on my lid. And it's a really basic look. And honestly, these are so great for, you know, throwing this on for the office or, you know, little interview. Go into the store and you don't want to look like you just rolled out of bed. Honestly, you could just throw like a darker shade on the entire lid and then just really smoke that out. I love doing that too. It's really simple, and these palettes are perfect for that. Okay, so I've gone in with a little brow highlight. My lighting's pretty bright right now, so you can't tell too much. Put a little highlight on my inner corners. I feel like no look is complete without an inner corner highlight. Just gonna leave it like that, and then add a little bit of that Lovely Bunch color under my eyes. If you want to see some more simple looks, some more natural brows, please let me know. I can go ahead and do that. I can get a look up this week, whatever you guys want. Just make sure to comment down below. If you have a particular look in mind that you like, go on over to my Instagram. I'll make sure to put that link in my bio. Shoot me a message over there. Send me a link to a picture or any kind of look that you like, and I will try to recreate that or give you a tutorial on that. Okay, so I went ahead and threw on some mascara. I didn't add any liner since I wanted to keep this really simple, but I went in with the Essence Lash Princess. It's one of my favorite mascaras at the drugstore, well, at Ulta, but I think it's less than $5. It's great. If you're in the market for a new mascara and you don't want to break the bank, go and check this one out. Love it. Just to add some hydration to my lips and a little bit of color, I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Murumuru Butter. Don't know how to pronounce that. Anyways, this is in the shade Pinkini. I love it. It adds some moisture to my lips, and I just like to smudge it out with my finger since I don't want it to be too pigmented. I really like this for when I'm going for a simple look, but I just want some color on my lips. I also really, really love the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lips. They're like, they go on like a liquid lipstick, but they dry down like really sheer and they're super comfortable. So if you really like that almost popsicle lip, that stained lip look, you would love the Colourpop Ultra Blotted Lips. Check those out. Okay, so that is it for this simple little get ready with me chit chat video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell in the corner just so you're notified when I upload a video. And if you'd like to see anything, please let me know, and I'll see you next time.